Here's the fastest way to cancel an Amazon order before it ships using the updated 2026 method. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Amazon account where you made the purchase. Now hover over Returns and Orders at the top right corner and click it. This will show every order you've placed, starting with the most recent. Scroll through your order list and find the item you want to cancel. If the item has not shipped yet, you'll see a button that says Cancel Items or Request Cancellation. Once you click Cancel Items, you'll see a checklist of everything included in that order. Select the items you want to cancel, choose a cancellation reason if required, and click Submit. If the order already shipped, you won't be able to cancel it from the menu. Instead, Amazon will show a message saying the item is on its way. In that case, let the package arrive, then go to Returns and Orders, select Return or Replace Items. You'll get a prepaid return label or the option for a drop-off return with no box. Once your cancellation goes through, Amazon sends a confirmation email. You can also refresh the order page. The status should change to canceled. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Amazon order.